Hi everyone. So in the link above this video, there was it's a link to take you to this article. It's a book widgets article. Now the reason why I clicked book widgets is because it focuses on interactive learnings and those digital exit tickets, which we need for virtual school. Now, just because I sent you here doesn't mean I need you to sign in or make a book widget or any of that. What I did like about this particular website was just the variety of interactive exit tickets that were available. So this whole first part is what is an exit ticket, benefits, yada yada, you know that. How to use them with book widgets. We don't really need to do this. If you really want to dive in, that's fine. But we have so many platforms already that I don't think it's super necessary. The reason why I wanted to send you here in particular was because of the examples. So there's just the reason why exit tickets are an accountability tool is because they hold the student accountable for their learning. Yes, it happens at the end, and some of these are wonderful exit tickets. Some of them could also be used as great graphic organizers. So this website in general is fantastic to help you develop your own accountability tools. For instance, so I'm going to click on this, what sticks? Just click on the picture and it opens up. And yes, the point of this book widget is for students to write on it and then, yes, be able to send it to you or whatever, take a picture of it, any of those things. But with all the platforms we have, it's not super necessary. I could snip a picture of this with my snipping tool. With my snipping tool, I could then take this and copy and paste it onto my own SmartSuite or ClassKick or whatever else that I'm usually using for my students. So again, you don't need to make a login. This link is just to get you to all of these different varieties of exit tickets that you could possibly use. But definitely feel free to use these for graphic organizers too. A lot of these lend themselves, I think, to more graphic organizer format. Then exit tickets, near the bottom, we tend to get into more of the exit tickety kind of a feel, where it provides like answer sheets where they would be writing on the board, like specifically lent to vocabulary ones, connections, answer the questions on the board. So near the bottom, they tend to get more exit ticket-y. All right, well, thank you for listening. Have a great rest of your day.